Deep within the heart of Borneo, in one of the last great rainforests of Southeast Asia, a mysterious creature roams, a symbol of resilience and adaptability. The Bornean Bearded Pig, with its signature facial hair and sturdy body, plays a crucial role in the ecosystem of this untamed wilderness. Named for the bristly beard that adorns its face, the Bornean Bearded Pig barbatus is more than just a unique-looking animal. These pigs are wanderers moving through the forests in search of food and often traveling incredible distances. Their long legs, thinner bodies, and elongated snouts set them apart from other pig species. Their most iconic feature, the facial beard, is thought to serve as both a protective measure and a visual cue to other pigs. But it's not just looks that make them fascinating, their behavior reveals much more. These pigs are nature's scavengers, with an omnivorous diet that includes fruits, small animals, roots, and even carrion. They adapt to the food that the forest provides. During fruiting seasons, their diet shifts to include the abundance of durian, figs, and other fruits that fall from towering trees. This adaptability makes them highly resilient to seasonal changes in the rainforest. Living in groups known as sounders, the Bornean Bearded Pig showcases strong social bonds, especially among females and their offspring. A single sounder may include a dozen pigs or more, and cooperation within these groups is essential for survival. Adult males, however, tend to be more solitary, joining the group only for mating purposes. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Bornean Bearded Pig is its seasonal migrations. Driven by food availability, especially the fruiting of dipterocarp trees, they undertake long journeys. These migrations can span several hundred kilometers, and in some cases, entire sounders will travel together, crossing rivers and climbing mountains. This behavior is essential for the survival of the species as they follow the food source across their ever-changing habitat. The mating season for the Bornean Bearded Pig is an important part of their life cycle, and during this time, males become more competitive. Adult males will seek out females and sounders, often engaging in displays of dominance by showing their size and strength. Once a pair has bonded, mating occurs, and the female will carry her young for a gestation period of around 4 months. After this period, she gives birth to a litter of 2 to 8 piglets, often in a well-hidden, protective nest made from forest debris. Unlike some other pig species, bearded pigs display a high level of parental care, with the mother guarding her piglets closely. Newborn piglets are highly dependent on their mother for nourishment and protection. They remain with her, learning how to forage and navigate the forest until they are old enough to venture out independently. During this time, the young develop the skills necessary for survival in the rainforest under the watchful eye of their mother. The Bornean Bearded Pig is not only known for its beard, but also for its elongated snout and large tusks, which it uses for digging and defending itself. Their keen sense of smell allows them to locate food buried deep beneath the forest floor, and their tusks provide protection from potential predators such as leopards and pythons. Interestingly, their tusks are more than just weapons. In males, they serve as a display of dominance, with larger tusks often indicating a more dominant individual. This is especially important during the mating season, where males compete for access to females. These pigs play an important ecological role. As they forage, they disturb the soil, helping to aerate it and promoting seed germination. This natural tilling benefits the entire forest, supporting plant diversity and providing food for other animals. By spreading seeds through their droppings, they also contribute to the regeneration of the rainforest. However, even these resilient animals face challenges. Habitat loss due to deforestation, agriculture, and human encroachment threatens their way of life.